Hey, what is happening, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to be giving 100 people, bear in mind my average video might get 2,000 or 3,000 views. I'm going to be giving 100 people access to my personal phone number, and I'm going to add you to a private WhatsApp group, okay? I'll tell you exactly how that works in a minute. But first, I wanted to tell you there's 3 things. If you want to win, in property, if you want to win in business, there's 3 things that you got to do. If you do these 3 things, it's going to put you head and shoulders above everybody else. So keep watching until the end of the video. I'll tell you exactly how the WhatsApp group works, how you can be added to it. But I'm going to only be capping this because I think WhatsApp cap their numbers. I don't want my phone to be pinging every 30 seconds. So first thing, if you want to win in property, you want to win in business, you need to have a goal. Now, I think the biggest reason that people fail is not because they don't know they've got to have a goal, but it's they don't know how to actually create a goal. So it's like, yeah, I know I need a goal, but what is my goal? So I thought in this YouTube video, I'd just go ahead and give you a goal. So your goal, bear in mind it's September, your goal is to be making £2,000 a month. Write this down, okay? I want you to be making £2,000 a month in passive income per month. By, because if it's not got a date, it's just a dream, by January the 31st of 2022. That's the goal. To making £2,000 a month in passive income by end of January. Right now we're in September. So we've got September, October, November, 3.5 months to become financially free. Because if you're making £2,000 a month in passive income, that means that you've replaced the average salary, which means that technically you should be financially free. So that's the goal. Second thing is you need to be able to understand the numbers. Yes, this is a people game, but it's also a numbers game. And I see a lot of people in this property business, and they're really out there. They've got lots of energy. They take lots of action, but they just don't know how to work the basic numbers of property, real estate business. They don't know, what the difference is between revenue, profit, margins and gross, net, direct costs, overheads. They don't know the difference between the costs. So in property, the biggest thing you need to be able to work out is the return on investment. You need to be able to work out cash on cash, ROI. How do you know what you're going to put into a deal? How do you work out what you're going to get out of that deal? And then you divide the two together. So I've put together a spreadsheet, a return on investment spreadsheet, like an Excel spreadsheet, which will really help you work out the return on investment on deals. In fact, as part of the WhatsApp group, which 100 people are going to get access to, in that WhatsApp group, I'm going to include the full return on investment spreadsheet. Okay, so you're going to get that, and there's going to be details of how to get that in the description below. The third thing, once you've got a goal and you understand your numbers, the third thing is you just got to take massive action. Take massive action. It really surprises me, when I see people, opportunities on the table, and they just haven't got the courage or they haven't got the time to actually go and take action. For example, I had someone just message me on Instagram and say, Samuel, I'm really desperate to become financially free. Do you run any training programs? I was like, yeah, man, I've got a property investors crash course. He was like, oh my gosh, that's amazing. When is it? Where is it? And I gave him a list of all the dates, the 6 dates across the country. And he was like, oh, I live in London, but the London one's sold out. When's the next one? I'm like, dude, man, you just got to travel down to Heathrow or something, or Wolverhampton. It's not far, but that's the thing. People take themselves out of the game with the very first hurdle. You got to have massive action. In fact, if you want to come to the Property Investors Crash Course, I'll also leave a link in the description as well to the crash course, so you can do that. But take massive action when you see an opportunity to go for dinner with a potential mentor. An opportunity to go and meet an estate agent with a potential deal, an opportunity to attend a training program, an opportunity to sell an investor on a joint venture proposal. You've got to take the opportunity. You've got to pick up the phone. You've got to attend the meeting. So if you do those 3 things, I've got the goal for you already done. The numbers, I'm going to give you access to the return on investment spreadsheet. And then number 3 is take massive action. If you want to be one of the first 100 to take massive action and to get into my WhatsApp group, how does that work? So how that works is I'm going to be taking 100 names and numbers, adding them to a private WhatsApp group, and I'm going to be notifying you of special things that are going on. Like, for instance, the eviction. People go, oh, I didn't hear about the eviction. Or they might hear about courses and it's too late, or offers, opportunities on social media when it's too late. So I'm going to be just notifying people of what's going on. I'm going to be giving you access to the return on investment spreadsheet, and how much is it to be part of this WhatsApp group? It's completely free. All right. So I'll leave a link in the description to get access to get onto the WhatsApp group. I'll send you a message. Let's stay in touch, because it's really important that you're around the right people. And I hope to see you hit your goal of financial freedom by January 2022, baby. I'm rooting for you.